Is YouTube TV available in Mexico? Unfortunately, no, it is not currently offered there. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service designed exclusively for the United States. It provides access to U.S.-based networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, and FOX, which are tailored to American audiences. Due to licensing restrictions and regional content agreements, YouTube TV does not support international markets, including Mexico. If you're in Mexico and looking for streaming services, there are local alternatives like Izzy, Megacable, or global platforms like Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime Video for on-demand entertainment. Another option is Sling TV, which offers some international packages, though availability may vary. While some users consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to access YouTube TV, this is not recommended as it violates their terms of service. For now, exploring region-specific platforms is the best solution for streaming in Mexico. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.